Email is important in your daily life. We all use email to communicate for work or to stay in touch with family and friends. We at Cox understand this. Therefore, we are committed to providing you with a reliable email experience that is up to date and easy to use. We are proud to tell you that we have upgraded your email. Welcome to the all-new Cox email. The new Cox email has been redesigned with your benefits in mind. A streamlined look and feel, easy-to-use design, and new apps that are sure to please. Let's take a look at some of the ways we've made your email better. The new email has received a redesign that makes using it so much easier. It offers you a new experience of email that lets you drag and drop for many functions that needed many clicks before. Move an email to a new folder, drag and drop. Add attachments to your email, simply drag and drop from your local folders. Move someone from to CC, drag and drop their email or names from one line to the other. With your new unified inbox that lets you add as many email addresses as you want, you can also move your Gmail or Outlook.com emails to your Cox email or simply reply from there. The also newly designed folder tree will allow you to access all accounts at once and keep an overview of everything that is going on. Drag and drop, unified inbox, and a new folder tree. These things will make Cox email a great experience for you. We know how important it is for you to keep track of your family get-togethers and appointments. That's why we've included a calendar in your new Cox email. Your new calendar allows you to schedule appointments like a pro, while keeping it simple at the same time. Creating a new appointment is easy. Just click on a time slot or mark a time frame, and the Create an Appointment window opens. Now just add a subject, a description if you like, and you're all set. Your appointment is created. Want to add other people? Create a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly schedule? Why not? This new calendar allows you to do this and much more. Just give it a try. Welcome to your Cox email.